morning. Today is the 29th of April 2026 and I'm just leaving Quebec for Ontario, and this is the place called Bonaventure. And look at the beautiful architecture of these buildings, and look at the train. It's the best way to travel. It's safe, it's economical and clean. Look at the beauty of these buildings. So I will be documenting my travel and I hope you appreciate it. So it's approximately 5 hours from Montreal to Toronto. It's not too bad, not too long. The train is called Via Rail. Via Rail in Canada. And you can go from one end to the other, discovering Canada through the train, by train.